signing an NDA or an NNN agreement without a penalty clause basically equals to nothing. Recently, a client approached us. He talked to me, I think 1 or 2 years before, and asked for an NNN agreement. So I gave him a quote. He thinks it's too expensive, and he can download the template anywhere. I tell him that, then you can talk to someone else, because the key value of lawyers' work is not about template. It's about how to put all the clause right, and even how to sign and step. After 1 or 2 years, he approached me again yesterday. He told me the Chinese factory breached the NNN agreement he signed. And he showed me an agreement he signed. There are two obvious problems. The first one is there are no company stamp on the agreement. It's only the manager's signature. You may know that under China's legal system, the only key concern about signing a contract is company stamp. A company put its official stamp on a contract, then mostly it's valid and enforceable. But if there is no company's stamp on the contract, then we need to look at who actually signed the contract. If the person, the manager, is also the legal representative of the company, it's okay. But if not, maybe the company did not even come into effect. The contract did not even come into effect. So first point. The second point is in his version, he put forward the right of an obligation of a non-circumvention, non-compete, non-disclosure. But he forgot one very important point, which is the penalty. It means if the supplier, the Chinese factory, breached the contract, how to pay the penalty, how to calculate the damages. Nothing, no such clause. Then it leads to a problem. If you take this supplier to the court, you may win the case. But if you want him to compensate you the loss, how to prove it? Actually, in Chinese court, it's very difficult to prove this kind of damages, like the leak of information, disclosure of information. Normally speaking, if you don't have a penalty clause in place, the court will be very cautious, and the court will be very conservative when they are making their judgments. So it means you may win a case, but without penalty clause, the possibility of the court granting a reasonable sum or amount of penalty or damages is very low. This is Larry Zhou. I'm partner and attorney from Landing Offices China. Contact me if you need.